this video I am going to show you price prediction of XRP. But before starting video, please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Just complete 3k subscriber and I will do a XRP 100 XRP coins giveaway. So this is absolutely good and I make a video special for giveaway, but just you complete 3k subscribers. So let's get start XRP price prediction. Okay guys, so this time you can see here the current price of XRP and last 1 hour. The price of XRP coin is 0.5617 US dollar. So this is absolutely good and I hope in a few days they can cross easily 1 US dollar. What you say they can cross US dollar? Just comment, okay? And don't forget to subscribe, okay? For giveaway, okay? Because I give you 100 coins of XRP. This is absolutely very high. So let's see here the change of last 1 hour plus 0.05%. Absolutely good change. Then which I see this type changes that I'm very happy and I'm very excited to they are going effort. This is absolutely good jumps. So let's see the last 2 hour result. I hope the last 2 hour result absolutely good. You can see here the last 2 hour result is the same. So let's see the last 1 hour 1 day result. Okay, you can see here the 4 plus 4.24%. This is absolutely very big change. You can see here this type changes. I hope they easily cross it 1 US dollar, and but if they cross 1 US dollar, then I am going to sell it, because you can see here in the graph absolutely going up. No time to they are start dumping. You can see here just like this is small dump. You can see here not a big, so but you can see here the jump is absolutely very high. This is very absolutely high jump. You can see here absolutely good jump. So this type jump, if they jump this type, I hope they easily cross 1 US dollar. What you say, please comment us, okay? And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest update, and don't miss giveaway of XRP 100 coins. Absolutely very big. So just subscribe and press the bell icon. I make special video for giveaway. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.